Why are motor pathways essential for complex movements? Imagine trying to write with a pen or catch a ball without your brain telling your muscles what to do. That's where motor pathways come into play, acting like the body's communication superhighway. These pathways are vital because they carry signals from the brain to the muscles, making movement possible. Without them, even simple actions like walking or grabbing something would be impossible. They help us perform complex movements that require coordination, timing, and precision, like dancing or playing an instrument. Motor pathways are made up of two main types of neurons. The first are upper motor neurons, which start in the brain's primary motor cortex. This part of the brain is like the control tower for voluntary movements. These neurons send signals down through the spinal cord via descending tracts, especially the corticospinal tract. Think of this tract as a highway that carries messages directly to the muscles involved in fine movements, like finger dexterity or eye coordination. Once the signals reach the spinal cord, they connect with lower motor neurons. These neurons are like messengers that take the signals from the spinal cord and deliver them straight to the muscles. When they receive the message, the muscles contract and movement happens. This system makes sure that signals are fast and accurate, so movements are smooth and controlled. But complex movements involve more than just muscle contractions. They need the brain to plan, organize, and sequence actions. The motor cortex has a map called the motor homunculus, which shows how different parts of the brain control different body parts. It doesn't control muscles one by one but groups of muscles working together. For example, reaching for a glass involves the coordination of arm, hand, and eye muscles. Other brain areas like the premotor cortex and supplementary motor area help plan these sequences, especially for actions involving both sides of the body or complicated patterns. Spinal circuits also help with movement. Central pattern generators are special circuits that produce rhythmic muscle activity needed for walking or breathing. They can work independently but are influenced by signals from the brain to adapt to different situations. Motor pathways are divided into two main systems. The lateral corticospinal tract controls the muscles in our limbs, allowing us to do detailed tasks like writing or buttoning a shirt. The medial pathways, including the reticulospinal and tectospinal tracts, manage posture, balance, and orientation. These are the foundation for more complex voluntary movements. If these pathways are damaged, signals from the brain can't reach the muscles properly. This can lead to weakness, uncoordinated movements, or even paralysis. That's why motor pathways are so essential. They connect the brain's commands to the muscles, allowing us to move with purpose and precision. Without them, our ability to perform complex, coordinated actions would be lost.